Hey, what's up guys? So quick update here on the 50k algo portfolio, and it's doing really well at the moment. I mean, we've got three strategies that we've been stress testing, just going through different cycles, seeing how they're performing. And we started off with around $350 to about $500 allocation to start off with each. We've also got one of the strategies looking for investor capital on Darwin-X, and then the most stable one, which is Excalibur. We're going to be pretty soon be putting onto prop firms and then starting our own prop firm portfolio, which I think is going to really help rocket the portfolio from the 50k to the 250k goal and mark. So as you can see here, these are just a couple trades that are busy opening, and we've been stuck in these Euro Swiss shorts for some time, and it's just been hedging itself out, these shorts, which is cool, but at the same time I'm really paying attention to how it's reacting. And from this account we've done $100 withdrawal already, and we're floating another 250, 260 in profit. So I think once we've sized out these Euro Swiss shorts, we're going to withdraw the other 250 and I'll rotate that back into, maybe another strategy. We've got maybe 2-3 strategies on demo that's also doing really well. We've got the gold allocation and 2 more. So excited to be adding that to the portfolio sometime this week. And yeah, let's see the other strategy we've got here, which is Luna. This is on a cent account, so it says 50,000, and we've done already a good portion of withdrawals from this account. Let's quickly see here, custom. Let's go back to chat. And as you can see, I mean, this strategy has been doing pretty well. It executes a lot more trades. It's also a martingale sort of system, but it's obviously trades on a cent account, so it can withstand that drawdown. We have experienced a pretty big drawdown on this account. It didn't end up closing, it ended up actually recovering and pushing into profit. And I think that's the difference between human error versus algo and AI. I think at the same time there's certain phases in markets and there's certain things that an algo can do that a human just cannot, when it comes to martingale, when it comes to holding drawdown positions. And I mean, this account we've obviously done a decent sum of withdrawals. As you can see, we had 50,000 cents, $500, and then $200 withdrawn from this account already. So just from a spreadsheet perspective, let's quickly have a look here. I'll obviously tighten this up and neaten it up for you guys, but as you can see here, we started off with a $3,000 mark. We've only allocated around 1,850, so just over halfway there. We still got a decent amount sitting in cash waiting to be allocated, and as you can see, we've already got $300 withdrawn here and another $260 sitting in the account, so leaving us at a total of $3,563 in the portfolio, which is completely passive. This is what the allocations look like at the moment. We obviously got these 3 strategies sitting majority in cash, but to be allocated towards 3 strategies, basically not even half the portfolio, and then at the same time return around 18%, I think is pretty solid. And then also just connecting these strategies to data trackers, even more interesting, and something that I've really been enjoying is the fact that these strategies are closing out trades green basically day on day. If I go through from Vector Alpha to some of the Darwin strategies, as you can see here, every day it's just closing out small portions of profit. Even Luna CT, we can see here every day it's just closing green. I think that's the beauty of trading these martingale systems, where yes, it is sizing aggressively into trades and it's hedging itself out of trades, and that's just something humans can't do, at least consistently. But you do end up maybe a bit of drawdown, equity drawdown, but profit wise you're making profits almost day on day. It's very rare that it has been closing out red days, so that's interesting. We'll be paying attention to that. And yeah, just kind of, I think maybe the next strategy, if I can work towards like not having a martingale system. I think martingale systems can work against you if you're not careful and your account size isn't allocated correctly. So yeah, going to be paying attention to that, and kind of enjoying this data tracker too. So I mean, just kind of from like a broader perspective, coming from being a manual day trader, I still love day trading. I love the fact that as a manual day trader, you can set your own risk. You can decide what risk you want to put on. You get to wait for the market to reduce setups. You get to wait for price to pull into areas, to manually put on risk and to manually decide when I want to close risk out. I think, there's no better feeling than doing that. But to be allocated towards different strategies, different markets, has been a game changer, not just to my own personal day trading side, but just to being a portfolio manager as a whole. Just to be allocated in areas that you're not going to get allocations from at big institutions and companies. So to be able to do this, designing out systems, has obviously been super exciting so far. So we've got a lot more work to do. We've got a lot more strategies to deploy and a lot more systems to build. So glad to be bringing you guys along into this process and documenting the whole journey from A to Z. So hope you guys are enjoying. See you guys on the next one.